What's going down YouTube? Jared RedRacer video. Hey, today's video was gonna be a progress video. I've been trying to make it all day. I know my intro should be short and then I should play music and whatever. We're skipping all that today. I tried to make this video a bunch of times today, but I've been down at JDP. They're busy, I'm busy, there's a lot going on. But Lola's here, she's in the air. We're gonna give you some progress reports, kind of show you what I went through a little bit there today. But we also are very, very fortunate enough, and I'm gonna have to ask Jordan before I put this in the video, so I may be editing all this stuff I'm saying out, but I hope we get to see a little bit of Lurch. If you don't know who Lurch is Jeremy, the technician, the shop manager here. Lurch is his 5th gen Camaro that is a very, very, very well built 5th gen Camaro. It's more of the drag car. It's not set up for, you know, anything. It doesn't have a sway bar on it. But twin turbos, they're gonna be, maybe not tonight, but the plan is the car is gonna make like 1250 wheel. So it's gonna be cool, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully you get to see a little bit of that dyno here tonight. But kind of gonna go through what I'm doing today, showing you kind of where the car's at, show you what the plan is. Things have gone back and forth today on what we're gonna do. We're about to go get into that now, show you some more stuff here in a minute.
It'd be good to have him, or to have him kind of learn on this car. Barely even on there.
Was it? That's what a blown out strut looks like. If you've ever wondered what a strut that's not awesome anymore looks like, see all that oil around it? That's not ideal. We'll get these boxed out now, get them shipped back, and then go catch up with Jeremy and see where he's at on the build. Like anything else, there's always some dilemmas. Not like a big dilemma, but a dilemma. And we did have the car ported, or sorry, the manifold plumbed for port injection, because we were going to run port injection on the car. For those of you that follow the channel, you may have heard me talking about port injection. And, we were going to use Pro Speed Auto Sports. There's actually a car here with some of their stuff on it, but very, very good. But man, it's a lot of money. You know, port injection is going to cost me a pretty penny. Sorry, it's loud. See if we can see what they're pulling in. No, sorry, I tried. But anyways, it's thousands, and I'm only gonna gain another, I'm only gonna gain, realistically, peak another little bit of horsepower. Reliably though, on a road course over and over and over, port injection would be beneficial. There's a lot of reasons why it makes sense, but anyhow. So here's our manifold. You can see this plumbed right there, the little hole you're looking through right there. That's where it's plumbed for port injection. So we're going to basically act like we're running it, put injectors in. James from G1 Pro is sending me their fuel rails now, so I should have those in a few days, and then we will just put LSA injectors or something in there so that, you know, they're not opening, because there's no pulse to them, so they shouldn't open. They should stay closed, everything should be fine. It's gonna look cool. I'm gonna get style points for it. It just won't actually be port injected, so kind of one of the dilemmas we're up against, but that's that. By way of updates, because I don't want you guys to have watched this video for no new information, because this is cool information. We are going to run a monoblock piston, or sorry, not monoblock caliper in the front of the car with 6-piston Brembos. So we are gonna up our braking game, which I could use. I have gotten the brakes hot enough that on a road course they didn't fade and didn't give me any issues. but I did get some vibration. Like when they're warm or when I'm going real fast and I get on them, there is a definite vibration. It's not hard yet, it's not scary, it's not anything that, you know, makes me worried that the car would break, or, you know, erratically or anything like that. These are the new ones. Naturally, they're gonna say JDP Motorsports on them, but they're black and red, just like my stock ones kind of were. That should give me a lot better bite, a lot better initial bite. The thing about my brakes now, I love my brakes now. I have no complaints, but the initial bite's not amazing. When you push, the harder you push, the harder it stops, and it does stop very well. I have loved these brakes for performance, but for repeated performance or for tracking it, they have proven to get hot and to warp. So I need something better. Excellent brakes. We're gonna have a solid brake package on. So that's kind of the cool little information by way of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed the cool little things we have coming up for the car. Today was a long day. I've been here since like 8:30 this morning, and it is 11:30 p.m. So a lot happening, trying to help these guys get through some stuff. It's super exciting when my car's in the air, obviously, so I can video, but those are the updates. That's what's going on with the car. I hope you guys enjoyed Lurch. Lurch is bad. I can't wait to tell you the numbers. Hopefully I can tell you. We'll see. But so thanks for all. Jared, RedRacer video. Catch you guys in the next one.